What's up, YouTube? Andre Allen. Beautiful Sunday in Houston, Texas. It shows it's about 61 degrees. The sun is out. Nice, cool, breezy day for us. So this is nice weather. So let's get down to business. First project is complete. We're finally done. We're finished. So what I'll do, I'm going to show you some footage, what it was like before, and I'm going to show you what it's like now. And that way you can get a chance to see what we did in the progress. So now I just got to figure out what's going to be my extra strategy. So let's get right down to it. Here's the footage. Peace. Okay, day 2 of the renovation project at the rental property. You see they pulled up all the carpet, and we did the walls, plugging up all the holes in the walls. Did some pressure washing, cleaning up, and start paint tomorrow. Coming along. You finished product pretty soon.
It's all love though. I'm not the judge, bro. I'm Andre Allen Kulasado. Anointed hustle with God's muscle. I run the ball of the cut with no fumble. Fabrication, authentication, it's all real. Grind the minute to my clients when I strike a deal. H-Town, HGX, homie, we been trill. Man up at a certain age, and I'm still ill. I've seen dreams, seen but not seen. Is this one thing? Believe in the supreme being. God had the scene, rise like a cream, slave to a king. Faith is the thing, cause he's got see. 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 God's got.
All right, coming along. Life after 9 to 5. Coming along.
See. I've been patiently waiting for
that's day 2.
faith on. I ran a short
Wrapping up, we'll be ready for day 3 tomorrow.
Eagle of pitch. Which one holds your vision? Find your way through the maze.
Okay, new roof has been applied. So we have the new roof on the house. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Hey, how's it? Looks good, that roof looks good. Is complete. Yes, finally complete. So I'm gonna go in and show you the final setup here. As you can see, the front door, we painted it brown. So it's the same door, we just painted it. Save us some money there. So let's go in and check it out. All right, here we are, folks. Here's the living room area. There you go. Now I'll try to dig up the before picture so you can see the difference here. But new carpet, fresh paint. We're gonna probably change that chandelier there to something more modern. Okay. Fresh paint on the walls, ceilings, and here are the floors. So we laid down some wood laminate floors throughout the house. So you can see what we did here. Put a new fan. Paint on the ceiling, fresh paint on the ceiling. Remove some water spots. Kitchen. We are gonna add a new refrigerator and washer dryer, so a couple of appliances will be on the way. Change the countertops. So here are the countertops here. They were black before. The backsplash on the countertops. Change that. Okay. So the cabinets that were initially brown, we painted them white. Same cabinets, just painted white. Save some money there. Backsplash behind the countertops. Okay. So now we'll head over to the hallway here. Fresh carpet. Here's the utility room, washer and dryer. Paint, fresh paint. Okay. Bedroom number 1. Fresh carpet. Fresh paint. Bedroom number 1. Go down the hallway. Bathroom. Okay. Didn't change up the bathroom. The bathroom was already like this, so we didn't do a lot of changes on this bathroom here. Okay. Bedroom number 2. Okay, fresh paint. Okay. And then bedroom number 3. Master bedroom. Okay. Painted the bathroom. Fresh paint. Okay. So it is complete. Now we're getting ready to furnish it. And then we're going to decide what our exit strategy is going to be. Whether we're going to make this an Airbnb, whether we're going to make it a group home, co-living, or whether we'll do the traditional renting route. So go in the comments and tell me what you think we should make this property. What would you do if you had this property? What exit strategy would you do? All right. So that's it. Project 1 is in the books, and we'll get it furnished, and I'll let you guys know what exit strategy we chose. Peace.